Edmonton Real Estate Market Report, July 2025. Edmonton's real estate market continues to demonstrate remarkable resilience and growth throughout July 2025, maintaining its position as one of Canada's most dynamic and accessible property market. As Alberta's capital city diversifies beyond traditional government sectors, the city's real estate landscape reflects this transformation through sustained demand across all property categories. The July 2025 market analysis examines 8,160 active listings across 6 major property categories, providing insights into pricing trends, availability patterns, and market dynamics. From sprawling detached homes in established neighborhoods to modern high-rise condominiums in the urban core, Edmonton offers exceptional value compared to Toronto and Vancouver while maintaining strong growth potential. Property types and availability. Edmonton's property market showcases a diverse inventory totaling 8,160 available unique units, distributed across 6 primary categories. Houses, 4,198 unit. 2-bedroom apartments, 1,471 unit. Townhouses, 1,062 unit. Duplexes, 788 unit. 1-bedroom apartments, 565 unit. 3-bedroom apartments, 76 unit. This substantial inventory reflects both market depth and ongoing development activity, with detached houses dominating the market while apartment living gains traction among young professionals and downsizing baby boomers. Property types distribution. Edmonton's housing stock reflects a mature metropolitan market with balanced representation across building types. Detached houses maintain their position as Edmonton's housing backbone, spanning from modest bungalows in mature neighborhoods to executive estates in premium communities. Apartment buildings serve diverse demographics from young professionals seeking downtown proximity to seniors desiring maintenance-free living, combining 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom unit. Townhouses bridge the gap between apartment living and detached home ownership, offering community amenities and reduced maintenance. Duplexes provide affordable entry points while offering more space and privacy than apartment living, with potential for rental income. Average property prices overview. Edmonton's pricing landscape demonstrates significant variation across property types, reflecting diverse housing stock and buyer demographic. Detached houses lead the market with an average price of $667,616, representing a significant premium that reflects the value placed on space, privacy, and land ownership. At $366 per square foot, Edmonton offers exceptional value compared to the Vancouver and Toronto market. The second tier consists of 3-bedroom apartments averaging $561,336, which represent premium apartment living with space comparable to many townhouses. Duplexes command an average of $480,747, offering many benefits of detached home living while providing potential rental income opportunities. Townhouses average $317,447, representing excellent value for buyers seeking modern amenities and community living. This price point makes homeownership accessible to middle-income families while offering features like nearby parks and community centers. 2-bedroom apartments at $261,893 serve as popular choices for young couples, small families, and investors, offering the best balance of affordability and space. 1-bedroom apartments average $177,862, providing the most affordable ownership entry point while serving young professionals, students, and investors. The market demonstrates remarkable breadth, with properties ranging from under $55,000 for units requiring renovation to luxury homes exceeding $6.3 million, ensuring Edmonton's market accommodates buyers across all income levels and investment strategies. House Market Summary. Edmonton's detached home market represents the city's housing foundation with 4,198 available units averaging $667,616. At $366 per square foot, Edmonton offers exceptional value compared to Toronto and Vancouver, where similar properties often exceed $800 per square foot. Properties average 64 days on market, indicating balanced conditions where motivated sellers achieve sales within reasonable time frames. The price range from $74,900 to $6.3 million demonstrates remarkable market breadth, accommodating buyers across all income levels from entry-level homes requiring updates to luxury estates with premium finishes. Monthly average house availability. Daily house inventory throughout July ranged from 2,511 to 2,807 units, representing approximately 12% variation. This stable inventory indicates balanced supply and demand conditions with consistent turnover. Weekly patterns show inventory building during weekdays as new listings enter the market, then decreasing on weekends as buyers complete purchases. Duplex Market Summary. Edmonton's duplex market combines detached home living benefits with income generation potential, featuring 788 available units averaging $480,747. At $329 per square foot, duplexes provide opportunities for mortgage offset through rental income while offering substantial living space. Properties average 61 days on market, reflecting the specialized buyer pool required for duplex properties. The market benefits from Edmonton's strong rental demand, particularly in neighborhoods near universities, hospitals, and employment centers. Monthly average duplex availability. Duplex inventory remained stable throughout July, ranging from 439 to 515 units with a narrow 76-unit variation. This stability reflects the market's investor focus, where buyers require extended due diligence periods to evaluate rental potential and arrange appropriate financing. Townhouse Market Summary. The townhouse market offers a compelling middle ground between apartment living and detached home ownership, with 1,062 available units averaging $317,447. At $253 per square foot, townhouses provide excellent value for buyers seeking modern amenities without premium pricing. Properties average 56 days on market, reflecting buyer deliberation over community rules and long-term lifestyle implications. Townhouse developments typically include professional landscaping, snow removal, and community facilities appealing to busy professionals and young families. Monthly average townhouse availability. Townhouse inventory ranged from 552 to 653 units throughout July, representing a moderate 18% fluctuation, indicating healthy market activity. Summer months favor townhouse sales as families with children prefer moving during school vacation period. One-bedroom apartment market summary. The one-bedroom apartment market serves as the primary homeownership entry point with 565 available units averaging $177,862. Despite the price per square foot at $254, absolute dollar amounts remain manageable for first-time buyers and investors. Properties average 79 days on market due to financing challenges and buyer deliberation. The segment attracts significant investor interest due to strong rental demand from young professionals, students, and temporary workers in Edmonton's growing technology and healthcare sectors. Monthly average one-bedroom apartment availability. One-bedroom availability ranged from 345 to 409 units throughout July, representing 19% variation, reflecting the segment's responsiveness to buyer sentiment. Summer patterns reflect student graduation cycles and professional relocation patterns, with increased activity as new graduates and relocating professionals enter the market. Two-bedroom apartment market summary. The two-bedroom apartment market represents an optimal balance between affordability and space, with 1,471 available units averaging $261,893. At $267 per square foot, this segment offers competitive apartment pricing while serving young families, couples, and investors seeking rental income potential. The segment attracts investors due to optimal rental yields and tenant retention rates, with two-bedroom units typically commanding premium rents while attracting stable, long-term tenant. Monthly average two-bedroom apartment availability. Two-bedroom availability ranged from 901 to 1,032 units throughout July, representing a moderate 15% fluctuation, indicating balanced market conditions. Summer patterns reflect family purchasing preferences as couples and young families seek to complete moves before school year commencement. Three-bedroom apartment market summary. The three-bedroom apartment market represents luxury apartment living with only 76 available units, averaging $561,336. At $292 per square foot, this exclusive segment attracts empty nesters downsizing from large homes and executives seeking luxury urban living. Properties average 94 days on market, reflecting specialized buyer nature and deliberation required for luxury purchases. The limited supply ensures exclusivity, appealing to discerning buyers prioritizing location and building amenities over space maximization. Monthly average three-bedroom apartment availability. Three-bedroom availability ranged from 51 to 65 units throughout July, representing minimal variation reflecting the segment's limited supply and exclusive nature. The consistently low inventory levels reflect both limited new development and tendency for owners to remain in premium properties for extended period. Real estate's land size distribution. Edmonton's property land size distribution reflects the lot sizes that come with property purchases, demonstrating the city's suburban character and abundant land supply. Under 100 square meters, 20%. From 100 to 300 square meters, 22%. From 300 to 500 square meters, 27%. From 500 to 700 square meters, 20%. From 700 to 1,000 square meters, 5%. More than 1,000 SQM, 6%. The prevalence of properties with larger lots demonstrates Edmonton's competitive advantage in providing homebuyers with substantial land ownership compared to more constrained metropolitan market. Conclusion. Edmonton's July 2025 real estate market demonstrates remarkable stability and diversity, positioning the city as one of Canada's most balanced and accessible metropolitan housing market. With exceptional value propositions compared to Toronto and Vancouver, the market provides opportunities across all income levels while maintaining space and lifestyle advantages. Key market strengths include economic diversification supporting diverse employment, demographic trends favoring continued housing demand, and fiscal advantages enhancing affordability. The combination of space, affordability, and lifestyle amenities positions Edmonton as an attractive alternative to more expensive Canadian metropolitan areas, supporting both homeownership aspirations and investment strategies for long-term wealth building. Thank you for watching. If you found this report valuable, please subscribe to our channel Rent Sell Buy for monthly updates and in-depth market insight. Don't miss our upcoming August Edmonton rental market update, where we'll continue tracking trends, pricing changes, and availability across all property type. Stay informed and make better real estate decisions with our data-driven reports.